I still remember Prabhuji, Radha Prabhuji, immediately make some milk, special milk, and they give it to me. It was, very different experience. Like I was 3,000 kilometers away from my home, और कभी पहले मिले भी नहीं है, and still एक वो एसोसिएशन था भक्ति का ना, वो प्रसाद दिखा के ही इस्कॉन में पहले फंसाया जाता है मेरे जैसे materialistic person को. I know you people came because of knowledge, but people like me came only because of prashadam.
हम पूरा खिचड़ी से पैदा हुए.
For me, everything was started by Arvind Prabhu. Oats, milk, turmeric milk. Maybe that's why you're calling special milk. You only taught me to turmeric in the milk.
राधा प्रभु वो टर्मरिक मिल्क ही था जो आपने पिलाया था. तो प्रभु जी, आपको एक छोटी सी बात लेक्चर से शेयर कर रहा हूँ. आज एक बड़े महान वैष्णव का लेक्चर सुन रहा था मैं 6 से 7 श्रीमद् भागवतम से. तो वो कह रहे थे भगवान ने द गॉड हैज फिक्स्ड द कोटा फॉर फूड फॉर एवरीवन, सो you please restrict your gulab jamuns, otherwise you won't be able to eat later on. So today's class only we heard this. So that way Prabhuji, all these
yes Arjun Prabhu, I also noted this point.
Yes I think the speaker could have also.
अरे already stop eating.
क्या आनंद प्रभु, क्या वो?
I request to speaker to elaborate this point.
Yes Puneet Prabhu, we didn't hear, so please elaborate.
No, I request Anant Baldev Arvind Prabhu to elaborate. He's a good orator.
Okay.
I'm not.
Good.
अरे what is this? This is nothing. You all know कि मेरा तो बैंड बज गया है. डॉक्टर ने मेरे को सब मना
हरी बोल,
क्योंकि मैं अपने कोटे का सब.
Now it's over to you.
See, I have already finished all my quota na. That's why doctor is saying don't eat anything. Just eat air like Dhruv Maharaj.
now Prabhuji don't want Radha Prabhu to exhaust his quota. He's worried about Radha Prabhu.
Yeah.
I eat rarely only whenever there is occasion.
How rarely?
Okay. Radha Prabhu right? Rarely means every day, right? Okay.
So actually Prabhuji, so all it started like that, then Maruti Prabhuji, Charu Prabhuji, and Kiran Prabhuji, they all brought lunch for me, and they are very compassionate, so I feel comfortable also. I joined their company slowly. Every moment is स्पेशल है प्रभु जी. वो सारी यात्राएं स्पेशल हैं, एंड वो बर्तन वाला भी स्पेशल है. प्रभु जी बता रहे थे नॉर्मली I didn't get much seva because you all Prabhu ji do all the things. I don't know even cooking, so the only thing I do seva for very very small time, like serving, that too because of your mercy. एंड वो विष्णु प्रभु जी की चपाती याद है मुझे, वो जैसे ही गैस से उतरता है मेरी प्लेट में, गैस से उतर चपाती प्लेट में
घी लगा के बोल,
घी लगा के कितने
घी मिस किया आपने?
पूरी मैं जिंदगी में
22 चपाती.
आज तक मैं घर पे बोलता हूँ कि क्या मतलब आप 5, 6, 7 क्या मतलब घर पे भी ऐसे प्रसाद नहीं मिलेगा.
ये आप अभी घर पे हो, माता जी उधर है,
सुन रहे हैं प्रभु जी पास में ही है. अभी तो with your mercy I am getting prasadam, so she Mataji cooks and offer to the Lord. Maybe our method is not up to that standard, is not up to that level, but with your mercy I am getting prasadam. तो प्रभु जी सब स्पेशल है. वो मैरिज वाला तो मतलब लाजवाब है. That was the day first time I wear dhoti. तो वो फोटो शूट भी हमने किया पूरा मंदिर में. और मुझे इफ यू रिमेम्बर आवर फर्स्ट यात्रा ना, on this, during our first yatra, I forget the name actually. It was a 1,000-year-old temple owned to for maintenance. Uh, that yatra on the railway station, our train was late, so we started doing kirtan, and people are coming and looking at our face, and I was thinking, what is going on? What you people are doing? Because it was a very first time for me, and Prabhuji gave me the cards also, visiting cards. Prabhuji asked me to distribute, and I'm giving to these, I think most of them were maybe Christian and all. I don't know. So it was good, and the Vrindavan Yatra, Dham Yatra, everything. So, and the last but not the least, I want to say only one thing. Your association is like Nav Navaiman. It is like the water in the flowing river. Every single drop is fresh, pure, and full of energy, and it won't repeat again. It won't come again. Nav Navaiman. It is your association. It's continuously increasing. The love is increasing. Positivity, that care, that affection, everything is so blissful. So it's not like, in this time we are fed up of everything. This is what I'm feeling. The present generation, Prabhuji, वो I don't know how to explain in English. मन भर जाता है हमारा हर चीज से, even with the relations also. Like we are just fed up of with our partner. After some time we are fed up with our vehicle, our boss, our job, everything. Saturation comes. But your association, especially devotees association, and this spirituality is as good, as positive as however, there is no comparison. But just for an example, like water in the flowing river, every single drop is fresh and new. So Hare Krishna, sorry I have taken much time.
Yeah. Thank you, Prabhu.
Thank you so much,
This was
Prabhu.
a nice point, actually.
Are, I want to share.
Saturation with material relationships.
Yeah.
Most of the us are a victim of this, Prabhuji. I mean, materialistic people are a victim of this. We don't find
Yeah.
satisfaction for long.
True.
Okay. One thing, Prabhu reminded Tiruvalla Yatra, na? So how many remember that when we were coming back in the train and we were shouting ki jai, remember?
Yeah, I remember Prabhu that. Yeah.
All the passenger in train were wondering what is this North Indians. Okay. So we will ask Puneet Prabhu to share.
That tone came,
Hare
Prabhuji.
First of all, please accept my humble obeisance, my Danvar Pranam at the lotus feet of all the devotees. First of all, I would like to share my experience, how I get connected to Krishna consciousness and how I connected to the divine association of all of you. Like I was studying in Trivandrum in Kerala, like I was pursuing my MBA. Then there was a time like I used to hear the lectures of His Grace Gaur Gopal Prabhu, and was an Haribol, can you hear me?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah. So after watching his lectures, there was an inquisitiveness inside me to know more about him and about this Krishna consciousness. So one day I just went to a ISKCON temple, which was very near to my college, and I met there first. At the first moment, I met His Grace Shushant Prabhuji. So like then after having conversation with him, he gave me the contact number of His Grace Anant Baldev Arvind Prabhu, to whom earlier I was like knowing as Arvind Prabhu. And then I called him one day, and we had a conversation. Then he invited me to the temple. Then I met him. Then I discussed some questions with him. Then one day he invited me to this spiritual Saturday program which was happening at the Techno Park. Then one day alone on Saturday I went to this program, and after that only I could I get the chance to meet all of you people. Like later on, only I came to know about you all each other. Then after that, we are in touch with each other from a long time, I guess. Then this was my my part, how I get connected to Krishna consciousness, to this beautiful aspect of life. Then I'm very much thankful to all the devotees for your valuable association. In this world, if you look at from material or spiritual perspective, so material association doesn't uh, longer, it comes and go, but this spiritual association, this is something give you a purpose in your life. It lasts for a long time, it remains for the long time. And since from 2016, when I meet all of you, I'm connected with Krishna consciousness, and I'm trying to practicing it. And a few months back also, I lost my interest. I was falling down in the spiritual life then, but his grace, Anand Baldev Arvind Prabhu, it's very much compassionate. He helped me, he tried his best to help me out. Then now I'm reviving back. I'm trying my best to chant at my 16 rounds and hear daily Bhagavatam classes and everything. And this was my experience all about Krishna consciousness. Then also we went for yatra together also. Arvind Prabhu, Charu Prabhu, and Shekhar Prabhu, Arjun Prabhu, and myself were there for the small yatra in Vrindavan Dham, most probably 1.5 years back. And also, I'm thankful to this lockdown period. Just because of this lockdown period, Arvind Prabhu has taken one initiative for the morning japa session, in which around 7 to 8 devotees are coming daily in the morning from 5:15 to 7:15, and we are chanting our 16 rounds, which is a very much helpful tool, especially to the fallen people like me, to revive back in Krishna consciousness. Thank you, and excuse me if I said something wrong. Hare Krishna.
Jai.
Oh, Arvind Prabhu is there?
Yeah, very nice.
I never thought one's biography, when one tells about one's own biography, which we call it as autobiography, where it is completely filled by others' lives than one's life. So
Yes.
when you were narrating, I was feeling you started with as if it is an autobiography about my experiences, and it was completely filled with others' glorifications over there.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Yes.
We are zooming.
This is the temple. Can you see now?
ये तो आपके कॉलेज में है वाला.
This is our
Oh, Prabhu, Radha Prabhu would have made that plate.
But Prabhu,
remember this. This is all prepared by Radha Prabhu.
We are not able to see it. Wow.
I never prepare these things. Only you.
Jai, Jai.
Jai Jai.
So many items.
Okay, go ahead, Prabhu. Rupesh Prabhu was saying something.
Nothing.
I interrupted, sorry.
No, I was just saying the same thing. Casual talk.
Now Vishnu Prabhu.
Jai.
Jai Jai.
Yes.
Hari
When he
Hari.
starts speaking, he creates happiness in others' hearts. I don't know what magic
He is so
has.
happy. Vishnu Prabhu is so happy.
He causes others to find happiness. Jai. बोलिए प्रभु.
He is on mute.
Yeah. His video is on, but he's on mute.
विष्णु प्रभु आपको अनम्यूट करना है. मैं भी आपको अनम्यूट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. क्यों? वो है क्या? मैं उनको मैसेज कर देता हूँ. मेरा आवाज सुनाई दे
मैंने
रहा है?
अभी कर दिया. हाँ, अभी उन्होंने अनम्यूट किया है.
अभी ठीक है. हरे कृष्णा, कुछ बोल रहे क्या? प्रभु जी आप बोलिए. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है विष्णु प्रभु.
He is saying Hare Krishna Prabhuji to in the chat to everyone.
हरे
I guess why is he not able to speak? If he leaves the meeting and rejoins,
He is
that
speaking,
should
but we are
help.
not able to hear. Vishnu Prabhu speaking. I think microphone problem.
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है प्रभु जी. ओहो, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. ओके, वो छोड़ दिया है, चले गए क्या? अभी वो फिर से ज्वाइन करे.
call him Prabhu.
May probably
I think he's joining again.
he would leave and join.
हाँ, दोबारा ज्वाइन करने में आपको सुनाई देगा. अभी वो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. हरि बोल. हरे कृष्णा विष्णु प्रभु.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, one phone call came in between, that's why it got disconnected. Now can you hear me?
अरे बिल्कुल आराम से.
Hari Hari.
Yes Prabhu, so thank you everyone. Rupesh Prabhu, Radha Prabhu, Arvind Prabhu. I got all of your darshan. I am feeling very happy. I remembered past memories. I just forgot so many of them, but now I can remember those days. And I am happy, you all are happy by seeing you.
ओहो, जय.
Or should I speak more?
Wow, I'm just feeling close to Srila Prabhupada's words.
हाँ, जय जय.
After so long, I saw all of you together. We all came together, we can plan accordingly. What should I speak? You all know everything. You all can remember better than me.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, कुछ तो बताना पड़ेगा आपको, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. नहीं तो कोई ब्रज का कथा बता दीजिए.
Because of you, I got some inspiration in Krishna consciousness because of your association, Prabhu. Your association, Radha Prabhu association, Rupesh Prabhu and other devotees. I got some knowledge about Krishna consciousness. And I got connected like that. I did not know about this Hare Krishna Mahamantra and this Krishna consciousness philosophy. Srila Prabhupada. About ISKCON. So I came to know about everything because of your care and affection. You gave
such wonderful thing, Prabhu.
अरे प्रभु
And
इमोशन
prasadam, everything like that. What should I remember? Prabhu, I forgot so many memories from Trivandrum. Today I only remembered after seeing you all. So all of them, they are not coming in my mind.
अरे मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको, memory याद दिलाता हूँ.
I remember that Akshay Prabhu's house nicely. I used to go there in evening time for offering Damodar lamp, and there I used to meet Radha Prabhu. He will prepare dosa.
दोस्त
He
Radha
would be
Prabhu
coming with
dosa.
his Mama. Dosa.
Wow.
स्क्रीन दिख रहा है.
Yes,
Yeah,
Prabhu, I can see.
जय
देखो रूपेश
अनंत बलदेव प्रभु तो राधा प्रभु you are in Gupta वेश.
जय.
And
I am behind Maruti Prabhu, I think.
Maruti Prabhu.
Yes.
अभी दिख रहा है ना.
Wow.
जय.
देखो
Room house is full of
How
Krishna
nicely.
pictures,
Yeah.
songs, Vaishnava songs.
अरे देखो
Now I can remember Prabhu that house.
अरे
How much
Vishnu
efforts
Prabhu
he
is
has
there.
taken actually.
रूपानुगा प्रभु को देखो, रूपानुगा प्रभु को.
हमको तो सुशांत प्रभु दिख रहे हैं.
जय.
रूपानुगा प्रभु
immense.
दिख रहे हैं मुझे.
जय
Yes,
विष्णु
now
प्रभु को देखिए.
now we can see Mukesh Prabhu.
We go back to विष्णु प्रभु.
ओ कीर्तन कीर्तन.
Kiran Prabhu, Arvind Prabhu.
We never thought holy name would reach into that small lanes.
दिख रहा है क्या?
वाह विष्णु प्रभु तो समाधि में है.
Not in this picture.
He's in
This is
trance.
close by me.
जय आनंद बलदेव प्रभु तो जय में. ये किधर है वो पुराना वाला मारुति प्रभु आनंद बलदेव प्रभु डांस.
Tiruvalla.
Yes, Tiruvalla.
करेक्ट तिरुवल्ला करेक्ट.
नारू प्रभु को देख रहे हैं क्या?
मनोज प्रभु ना. जय. अरे बहुत सुंदर है उनके धोती में.
अरे वाह.
नारू को भी जय. अरे वाह. मारुति प्रभु
अर्जुन प्रभु पक्का केरला स्टाइल.
प्रभु देखो.
Arjun.
ओम आप साथ गोविंद.
वो प्रभु जी चारू प्रभु जी ने ही बांधा था, मुझे कहा था.
Mahaprasad Govinda.
Wonderful temple. This is a nice yatra actually.
अरे ये रिमेम्बर है, याद है स्टेशन वाला कीर्तन.
हाँ यस प्रभु.
Wow, this is like hey, go back.
See, he's forwarding fast.
Hey, जय 1 मिनट. हाँ
अच्छे से दिख रहा है ना. खूब प्रसाद खाया है मैंने.
you are like royal majestic.
वो देखो रूपेश प्रभु के फ्रेंड आया था ना.
हाँ लक्ष्मीकांत.
Hari.
No, he came. I never noticed.
Hari.
सुभदीप प्रभु कैसे है?
अभी वो
अमेजिंग वैष्णवा।
अरे बाप रे बाप, क्या फोटो आ गया जलेबी।
ए,
I remember this moment. I remember this moment. I want to share. वो आपका किचन कचौरी भी बना था प्रभु उस दिन ऐसे ही।
हाँ,
Hari
I'm
Hari.
really amazed by Suhrid Gopal Prabhu's amazing qualities.
अरे he is amazing, wonderful he is.
He is a pure Vaishnava for me. Despite being possessing so many amazing Vaishnava qualities, experience, the number of years spent in Krishna consciousness, he was just behaving as if he's a newcomer, and he was involved in the services of everything.
अरे चपाती का ढेर दिख रहा है क्या भाई?
पापड़ है
Yeah.
प्रभु।
विष्णु प्रभु का
ये क्या खीर था क्या? पूरा उतना बड़ा बाटी में खीर?
खीर है, खीर है। ये देखिए विष्णु प्रभु का ब्रज का जलेबी। हाँ
ये
अरे प्रभु सब आपने बनाया वो, आज मुझे याद आ रहा है सब देख के।
ओ माय गॉड, क्या आ गया ये चपाती कचौड़ी।
really he has taken
कचौरी।
so much efforts कचौड़ी बनाने में अरविंद प्रभु ने।
मेरे को तो लग रहा है ये विष्णु प्रभु आगे जाके चौपाटी का यात्रा खोलेंगे क्या एक और दूसरा, ऐसे चपाती बनाया है।
प्रभु जी इन्हीं कचौरी की बात कर रहा था मैं, इन्हीं ने
हाँ,
फंसाया है।
हाँ 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 अल्टर
Sundar. Radha Prabhu used to go down and then he used to collect all the flowers from there, brings it, and at 11 o'clock he starts actually arranging the beautiful altar.
Yeah, so nice. Wow. दे हरे कृष्णा जो ऊपर लिखा है ना, ये अभी भी ऐसा ही चिपका हुआ है।
बंद कर रहे हो क्या? हाँ ठीक है ठीक है। एक मिनट है। हाँ ठीक है। Yeah, it seems that my internet will be disconnected. Okay, if let it continue as long as it is. Okay, if it is disconnected, just please understand, Prabhu.
Okay, no problem. We will hear from Radha Prabhu now. Then quickly, Radha Prabhu. Okay, this last photo I want to show. Who is this? And what is it?
This is beautiful handwriting by Charu Prabhu.
And look at what he is writing. Whose mercy he is fetching.
Nitai.
Right. And who is guiding him?
Maruti Prabhu है ना बगल में?
Oh my God. This is like Hanuman and Sugriva team, huh? Jai Shri Ram. Okay, we will quickly hear from wonderful Radha Prabhu.
हरि बोल।
जय जय। Unmute Prabhu.
Prabhu, my one finished, right?
When was it finished? You just added fillers in
When I
between.
told about Vishnu Prabhu Chapati.
No, that was only between. You did not speak fully. You speak now. कर लीजिए सर, आपकी मर्जी।
How to start? I feel like everyone of right. It was like Krishna was already arranged. I feel like it's like Krishna was arranged already. When I go Trivandrum, there was already. I got to know about Krishna consciousness through one Prabhu in Chennai, where I was doing my MTech. Then from there,
Thank you very much.
Rupesh Prabhu was his friend, and Rupesh Prabhu was working in Trivandrum. Then Krishna arranged job there. I don't know where. I didn't get any job anywhere, only in Trivandrum, because maybe Krishna thought he's some devotees there to guide me. That too is the friend of who introduced me to Krishna consciousness. And then after that, even then Krishna was taking care of us. Then since I need to work in Techno Park, then Krishna found to give association there where Arvind Prabhu was there. It was like, I feel like it's like a Krishna's arrangement, connecting the devotees so that they can associate and then they can progress in serving him or glorifying him, and we have opportunity. And I see every one of us now sharing like somehow or other, like Krishna was arranging how the Arvind Prabhu met accidentally. Maruti Prabhu and Charu Prabhu, they met in when they were buying vegetables in the market, I think so. They found they met Arvind Prabhu. I think it's correct, right, Prabhu? Arvind Prabhu.
This is
They found and then they got.
Supermarket.
Sorry.
They met. I think he only will tell, na? Maruti and Charu Prabhu is here. They only should tell. Why?
Yeah, first we met to Nitin Prabhu, I guess, Prabhu, in the supermarket in the first day of our Trivandrum. Then he gave the contact of Arvind Prabhu and Vishnu Prabhu, and in the first Saturday he came to bring us that class.
Oh, Anand Prabhu.
That day on
Anand Prabhu from
Anand Prabhu, yes, yeah, from the Chennai, I guess, or Pune.
SRM Chennai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anand.
That was his last day that day, Prabhu.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we got connected each other, and Puneet Prabhu has got connected, and then Arjun Prabhu, and then how Arvind Prabhu has taken care of everybody. Arvind Prabhu and Rupesh Prabhu, Sushant Prabhu, they gave us the opportunity to us. We have prasadam every day and to practice our sadhana. So because of that, even I come outside and then stay alone, I could still continue my chanting. All these things, can go temple every day, every week. We feel like if we are not going for 1 week, we feel like something we are missing. So we should go, and then at least go, at least for prasadam we should go. So all because of Vaishnavas association. Vishnu Prabhu, everybody. Vishnu Prabhu is not here. That's it, Prabhu. So many things are there. Our yatras, everything. Tiruvalla Yatra, and how we celebrated Jagannath, Baldev Subhadramaya, Rupesh Prabhu, Jagannath, Baldev Subhadramaya in Maruti Prabhu and Charu Prabhu house. It's a big festival, feast, that day and night. We prepared, I think, around 100 varieties of prasad and offered to Krishna. The whole it was a blissful event. It lasted, I think, till 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, like that, right? That was a big festival, and then our yatras. All yatras, Tirukurungadi Yatra, Tiruvalla Yatras, and then Jagannath Temple, nearby Jagannath Temple, I forget what is the temple, Prabhu?
Tirupadapuram.
Huh?
Where? Tirupadapuram.
No. The Jagannath Temple, we go right for Yatra.
Parshala.
Yeah.
Dancing on
So
song.
many
Prabhu.
yatras.
Do you remember? Anantavardha Prabhu.
What?
We were dancing on song, one of the song they are playing. Jagasakshi Prabhu came and saying we should not dance like this.
So yeah, very nice. So I will actually Upanaga Prabhu, I think, got disconnected because his internet was limited. So I will actually, this is all started because of two people only, Rupanuga Prabhu and Sushant Prabhu. So they did actually initial days, because when you all were not there, I was the one alone. So they did only a lot of effort, and they used to bring a lot of prasadam in bike, and they will come from there, a lot of things. So after seeing Sushant Prabhu and Rupanuga Prabhu dedication only, I got a little bit inspiration to start a new house and their all the arrangement, because I thought these two people are doing so much, then why can't I do also something? So in this way, actually, it was all a great effort of Sushantaram Prabhu and Rupanuga Prabhu that we could all connected. And actually, for me, it is all Rupanuga Prabhu and Sushant Prabhu. They were, from both sides, they were giving a lot of support and motivation, inspiration. So all of they, and then later on, Radha Prabhu joined in the house. So I got a lot of help and support. I did a lot of offenses to him, so he should forgive me. If he not forgive me, then also he should forgive me. So, so actually it is very important to recognize the importance of Vaishnavas. So today when I can also remember Sushantaram Prabhu and Rupanuga Prabhu, that how wonderfully they were helping me. And every festival, Radha Prabhu will also remember that after every festival we will sit at the Aikar temple doorstep and we will talk late night, and then Sushantaram Prabhu will bring some hidden prasadam that you can distribute in the office. Then Radha Prabhu will the office with laddus and all, like 5-6 kg laddu he used to distribute in the office, and he will say you can take this more and more and distribute. So that was the merciful nature of him. He was giving so much prasadam to not only to us, even to so many people in Technopark, and a lot of boys were coming because of taking prasadam. And Rupanuga Prabhu taught me kitchen standard and cooking things and all those things. And Radha Prabhu used to help a lot of things in the background in the running program, and we used to go to buy vegetables and all those things. So it was wonderful and very nice. Anyone want to say something, you can speak, or otherwise we can drop. Or if you have enough time, I am fully jobless fellow, I have full time. You can, if you have enough time, you can rejoin. Okay, I can talk all night, I have no job. Already had nice prasadam. I had curd rice, tomato chutney, bhindi ka sabji and kheer. Lockdown ki jai. Okay, you can speak, Prabhu. Anybody want to speak? Something more. Actually, I'm so grateful that you all are actually very busy schedule and you got some time and
Hari.
Nice, thank you. So we can drop. Is it okay? Haribol. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Okay.
Patitanam Pavane Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah.
Jai. Anant
Koti Vaishnava Vrinda
Pranam
ki
Pranam, Jai Prabhu.
Jai. चारू प्रभु दिखाइए दिखाइए चारू प्रभु दिखाइए सभी बोलो ये प्रभु की
जय 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 हो हरि हरि विष्णु प्रभु की जय।